Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys Bluetooth network problem in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to solve your Bluetooth network problem in a Realme phone, so friends you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth network problem in our Realme phone. In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all we will on our phone setting to solve guys our Bluetooth network problem guys. Then guys we will scroll after on phone setting guys. Friends you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So friends you will have to click on guys your phone system setting guys. So guys tap here, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys backup and reset option guys, tap here. Guys click on your reset phone setting. So friends you can see Bluetooth setting guys. We will tap here to solve our problem. So guys your Bluetooth network problem will solve in your Realme phone. After solve this problem guys you have your Bluetooth problem again. So don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friend. Before going please go and like the video. Bye friends.